Okay, question number 6. Here Dave is a milk tanker driver and he collects milk from farms, and he wants to start a job at 9:35, and then we have these various restrictions. He can't pump the milk unless it's 5 degrees C or lower, and the temperature of the milk is too hot, so we have to wait for that to drop. So what we're going to do is do this in a step-by-step manner. So what we can say is that he's going to start at 9:35. Okay, this is his start time. Okay, now we can also see that the temperature of the milk has to be 5 degrees C or lower, and it's currently at 9 degrees C. Now the milk cools at a rate of 1 degree C every 10 minutes. So we've got to drop 4 degrees. So that's going to take him 4 lots of 10 minutes. So that's another 40 minutes. Okay, so we can write milk to cool equals 4 degrees, which equals 40 minutes. Okay, so now we've got to add this 40 minutes onto his start time. So 9:35 plus 40 minutes means that this is going to be 10:15. Okay, and this is when he starts pumping the milk in. So 10:15, he starts to pump the milk. Okay, now he has 2,500 litres of milk to pick up, and he can pump the milk into the container at 20,000 litres an hour. So this is obviously a lot less than this. So we need to find out what fraction of this we're talking about. Okay, so we can just break this down. So this is 2,500 litres of excuse me, the 20,000 litres that he's talking about. So we can cancel 2 of the zeros here. So I know that 5 goes into 25 5 times, and I know that 5 goes into 200 40 times, and again I can cancel. So 5 into 5 goes once, and 5 into 40 goes 8. So it would take him 1/8 of an hour, okay, because he's only pumping 2,500 litres of the 20,000 litres in an hour that he could do. So that's 1/8 of an hour, okay. Now I know 1/4 of an hour is 15 minutes, so 1/8 of an hour would be 7.5 minutes. Okay, so now we can add that on to his 10:15 time. So this is 10:15 plus the 7.5 minutes getting milk onto his container, which means that he's at 10, about 22, but we'll write 10:22. Okay. Now, finally, it says here that Dave usually takes an extra 5 to 10 minutes to pack up at the end, and he wants to be gone by 10:45. So if he wants to be gone by 10:45, we can see here that he's got plenty of time. So if we gave him the extra 10 minutes, which is the full 10 minutes packing up time, 10:22, plus the extra 10 minutes, this would mean that he would be gone by 10:22 to 10:23. Okay, and he would be finished at that time. Okay, so we can see that he has plenty of time, so we can say yes, he can finish on time. Okay, I hope that helps. I've tried to break it down as simply as I can. So his start time, then the cooling time of the milk, we have to add that on. Then what fraction of an hour is he going to take to pump that amount of milk on board? And then of course we add this all the way through, and then we add the time that he wants for clearing up. And we can see there that he would have plenty of time to finish. Okay, I hope that's helped, and I'll move on to the next question.